Hey guys, this is Akshay, and in this video I am going to share my third life learning, my third life my third life experience. Okay, so watch this video till end because you are going to laugh very much. Okay, so watch this video, and so let's start for today's video. So after completion of 12th class, okay, I take admission in BCA. Yeah, and I don't know much about how to do friendship with people. Okay, at that time. Okay, so I don't know the which student were in the class because 80 students are there in the class first year for first year. Okay, so first semester completed, and I don't have any friends, much friends in first semester. But after the first semester result, then I identify means I got some friends, means I make some friends, and then friendship go very deeply, and yeah, many friends I make after first semester. Okay, so I understand, or I identify some what some category. No, not some category, means I understand the qualities which are available in my friends. Okay, so which qualities means what, my friends are very much intelligent, wise, and they are funny, they are pagal, they are mad, and they are Sandeep Maheshwari because they always means they if any problems comes or any situations come, then they motivate also, and yeah, they are very supportive for me. Main thing, they are caring, and yeah, these all the category, these all the qualities which these are all categories was available in my friend's body. Okay, so, and yeah, and in study, means I got their support in study as well as the other activities. You very well know the what other activities are. So I got very much support in that type only. Okay, by mistake also, by mistake by mistake also, the birthday should not come in college days. Birthday should come in summer vacations. Okay, because college was not happen in summer vacation na. So birthday, by mistake also, birthday should not come in college days because my friends are very mad, pagal. Okay, they beat like anything. They don't care he will die or live. Okay, so in birthdays time, everyone comes and beat that birthday boy. No matter he live or he will die. Okay, so yeah, and very much fun happen in college days. And why I'm telling the birthday incident, because I trapped two times in that zone. Okay, means two times they beat me also. That's why I am telling that. So day by day, days passing, and first year completed. Then we get into the second year. In second year, out of 80 students, there are only 40 students came to second year. Means only 40 students pass out, means qualify for the second year. Okay, and again the journey same. Okay, again journey same. Then we know each other very well, and then we are spending time to each other. uh, um, yeah, we are spending time to each other. There is one college katta. We all go there and sit there and discuss any topic. Any topics means not that much study related, but there are many topics are there in the world. They we were discuss at that place. Okay, and another one is the college canteen and the canteen tea, and tea with discussion. So that discussions was amazing. Okay, so um, we are out of the class means we stay out of the class many times, and teachers also scold sometime, but the teachers also support you, very much supportive for us. Okay, means they support many times, and yeah, and after that we know very well how to take left and right to the others. Okay, because yeah, means making fun on others, making joke and laugh to others, and in any situation. Okay, means we know how to take left and right, means you know very well. So why I am telling this also, because when I am trying to do this left and right, means when I am trying to make any fun or any joke to others, that goes wrong, means the others, means my friends take me also, mine also, means whenever I was trying na, this happens with me only every time, means many times, and yeah, this also the sad truth of my life, and yes, so lots of masti we did in my college days. I miss very much my college days, because whatever we did in college now, that will not come in our next journey. And yeah, we did lots of masti, and everything we did everything, and trips, means long drivings, and college functions, and college gathering. We did lot of masti, lot of dance, and we did everything. Okay, so, and if accidentally if I ask for help, yeah, but if I ask help to my friends, then they will help me out from that situation. Okay, but if they realize my what my problem is not that much serious, okay, then they will give me what तरीके. ओके, वो कुछ रहता है ना, 21 दिन में पैसा डबल, 30 दिन में फटाफट इंग्लिश सीखो. दिस टाइप ऑफ what तरीके solutions they give me when I ask for help, if they think it's casual help. Okay, so this is about the help, means they help me a lot. Yeah, this helped me they helped me a lot, and I realized those things also. So after that, days passing by, and second year also completed, then third year came, and yeah, after and third year also completed in this situation only. Okay, so exams happened, means final year exams happened, and then everyone go away from each other, and now I am missing, and maybe they also missing us, and we are also missing each other, and yeah, this happened in college days. You know what, when people with you, okay, when people with you, we don't realize the true value of people when they are with you. Okay, but when they go away from us, go away from you, then only you will realize the true value of people. So whatever it is, don't take any wrong don't take any wrong decisions, and yeah, be happy with your friends, and stay always happy with your friends. So the conclusion is, whenever people with you, you don't realize the value of people, but when they when they go away from you, then only you will realize the true value of people. So this is for today's video. Hope you like this video, and thanks for watching. We'll meet soon in another video. Bye bye.